Wyoming Woodworks here in the School of Hard Knocks. Jesse's been working on this countertop and this island over here. And you square stock, you can see how this comes out here. It's got a little kick out over here. And it has no live edge before. It now has a live edge. It's got black in it. He's got to use a hand tool to be able to put the lines back in. And that's what he's doing here. You can see this little guy that's worn down. And that way he can put the scratches back into the places it needs to be. So the brown's in there. So to have a black kind of highlight behind the scenes. And then the walnut kind of stain that she wants for this countertop will fill in the spots there. So, and over here, this one's pretty spectacular. So man, Jesse did a great job. It's pretty neat. So if you need a live edge, we can make one for you. Thanks for watching. Wyoming Woodworks here in the School of Hard Knocks.